Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is your global boy Pheng Thao. I know that's been a while, or it's been like decades actually, that I've been updating on Produce Panda contents, and I'm very sorry. Sometimes I just feel kind of lazy, and sometimes I just have other things to do too, so yeah. I will get back to it on it soon, so hope you guys be patient with me. But if anything, I stumbled upon a status on Facebook that Produce Panda has put out. It's called Cosmic Anthem. I think it's one of their JP albums. Yeah, so I don't know what that is because I haven't been updated on PP for a long time. So when I saw it, I just like, I'm gonna click on that link, and it showed me to this one page about their Japanese songs. So yeah, and it came. Shall we start it? Well, first of all, how do you open this? There's no hole. Oh, I guess this is the little hole. And they take this, so almost there. Guess they did pretty good with the wrapping. I think this is also my first order something from Japan, so yeah. And I ordered 4 things because there's 4 things on the list. So they say it might come something special if you order 4 things. So I was like, I shall do it then. Focus, focus. Hello. Wow, so look at this. Oh, it's kind of bright. And this is the back side. Kind of cool. Can I open this? Oh. Huh? Why does it look like this? This is how you're supposed to open it? Did I break it? Oh, no. So it's like this. I was so scared that I thought I broke it or something. Oh, so focus. So this is actually a book pamphlet. I thought it was just sort of like a cover. I can't read most of these since these are not in English, so but I do see that they have Japanese version and then Chinese version. So, and it seems like they did a Japanese version of You Raise Me Up of Janda. So I'm excited to hear that. This. What is this? Oh, this is kind of cool actually. How do I open this? Am I supposed to poke it open? I don't know. I think I'm gonna just leave it on because I don't know what to do with these. Oh, wow. This is new. Something very, very new. Okay, on to the next one. Surprisingly, I said focus. Oh my gosh. Hello. Can you see me? Why do these look the same though? I can't open this. Sometimes I'd be having the hardest time just to open CDs like these. Thanks to this key. But this one showed like this. I don't know, this way? This one's different. So this one's white and this one is blue. So I don't really know the difference. Unless one's Chinese and one's Japanese. I'm assuming so. So I had to listen to it. What are these? Do I open these? Oh, the photo cards. And I got Cass. I don't know why it's blue, but yeah, I got Cass. 3 more. And I got Chiha. Oh. And this is the group one, group photo. And I'm assuming the other one's also a group photo. Nope. This one is Shuchi. Please focus. I'm missing Pheng Thao and Ding Ding, but the group photo shows all of them. Wow, this is cool. I don't know if I actually prefer the photo or I prefer small photo cards. I think I actually prefer small photo cards. No, I gotta think what I'm gonna do with these. Wait, why did they do that? Why did this thing came off? I think this would look fine if it looked like this. But I guess. Let me check this book. Oh. So this is what the photo card I was talking about. Like I prefer like small photo cards like these, and I got Chiha. It looks like Instagram photos. Nice. Wait, but I don't understand why there's so many CDs though. Like, can't they just put like all of it in one though? And this is the other one. I actually like this back though. The back looks nice. Okay. So I got Cass on this one. So I got Chiha and Cass. Yeah, but overall I'm so confused why there's 4 different types of CDs. Unless one is, like I said, like one's for Japanese, one's for Chinese, and then maybe the other 2 are like behind the scene work. But I feel like they could have fit everything into one though, or I mean, at least 2. one CD for Japanese and Chinese all together, and then one CD for like behind the scenes, those kind of stuff. But I don't know. I guess I just had to listen to each of them one by one. So, gotta put this back. Wait, can I put this inside? I don't know how to do it. Can you do it? It's supposed to be like this. Can I do it out here? I guess I'll try to do it later. I guess I don't know how to do it, so yeah, this is their Cosmic Anthem unboxing. So like I wasn't able to purchase their other albums and stuff because it was also from Japan, I think, from a Japanese website link. So I don't know how to order from other stuff, but at least I got these though. So because I haven't been involved a lot with PP nowadays, so yeah, I'm glad that I got these. I'm very excited to listen to each of these. I wonder what each of these are about. So I hope you guys enjoy. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and I hope to see you guys next time. Bye bye.